Hey everybody, welcome back. We're gonna make some quick dishes to impress your friends with at get-togethers and stuff. We're actually gonna start with the most loved recipe on our channel till today, the crispy chicken wraps.
In a bowl, combine flour, milk powder, corn flour, salt, sugar, baking powder, oil, and water gradually. Knead until you have a smooth ball of dough. If it feels a bit sticky, feel free to dust it with flour during kneading. Grease the dough with oil and cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead the rested dough for a while, shape it into a ball and then divide it into equal sizes. Form small balls according to the size requirement of your tortillas. Roll them into thin tortillas. Cook the tortillas on the heated griddle for 10 seconds each side. Keep them soft by covering with a cloth. Before we dive into the sauce, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes coming on your way. Now let's get back to the sauce that will elevate our wraps. For the delicious sauce, mix mayonnaise, finely chopped garlic, ketchup, mustard paste, hot sauce, and honey. Mix it well and get ready for a flavor explosion. Moving on the star of the crispy chicken, cut boneless thighs into strips, marinate with salt, paprika powder, garlic powder, oregano, hot sauce for 15 minutes. Prepare the coating, whisk together egg, milk, and pinch of salt. For the flour coating, in a bowl, mix flour, salt, black pepper powder, and red chili powder. Take a marinated chicken strip and first coat it in the flour mixture, ensuring an even covering. Dip the flour chicken into the egg mixture thoroughly, coating it. Again, coat the chicken in the flour mixture. Press slightly to create a textured surface for extra crispiness. Fry the chicken on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes each side. Don't move them for the first 2-3 minutes to maintain that golden crispiness. Now it's time for assembling. Take tortilla, spread generous amount of the prepared sauce onto the tortilla. Place a layer of iceberg lettuce and cabbage. Arrange the fried chicken pieces. Spread some more sauce over the chicken. Carefully roll the tortilla with all the ingredients into a tight wrap, ensuring all the delicious filling are snugly enclosed. To keep it secure, you can wrap the assembled tortilla in butter paper, creating a neat and convenient package for serving.
Hope you'll like that one. We're gonna move on to the next one, which are these amazing chicken sticks, or chicken fries if you will.
Let's get started. Start by taking chicken mince and adding ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, ketchup, salt, paprika powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder, chicken powder, and cornstarch for binding. Mix it all together really well. Now grease your cutting board, the dish where you'll place the chicken fries, and your hands too. Use a spoon or a measuring cup to ensure all your fries are the same size. Take a portion, roll it into a ball, and then shape it into a stick on the greasy cutting board. Place each stick on the greased dish. Once they are all shaped, pop them in the freezer for about an hour to firm up. While they're firming up, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss out our lunchbox series. Now let's move on to the next step. Prepare a slurry for coating by mixing corn flour with water. In another bowl, have some breadcrumbs ready. After an hour, take the fries out of the freezer, dip them in the slurry, then coat them in the breadcrumbs. At this stage, you can freeze them and store for later use. Heat your oil on a medium flame, make sure it's not too hot, and fry the chicken fries until they are golden brown, about 5 to 6 minutes. The The aroma in my kitchen right now is irresistible.
Alright, that looks good. We're gonna move on to something sweet now. Let's make some chocolate chip cookies.
Start by melting and browning the butter. It's give your cookies a nutty, toffee-like flavor. As it melts, you'll notice it's foaming up. Keep stirring to prevent burning. When the color turns a rich golden honey, take it off the heat and let it cool completely before using. While the butter cools, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. In a large bowl, pour in the browned butter. Granulated sugar and brown sugar. Mix them well until combined. Then add 1 large egg and stir it in thoroughly. Follow it up with vanilla essence. Add baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix until smooth. Now add sifted all-purpose flour, oh, I almost forgot. Add corn flour and mix until everything comes together. Now for the best part, chocolate chunks. I love using chunks because they create melty pockets. But hey, feel free to use chocolate chips if that's your vibe. You could also mix both. Remember, you're the boss in your kitchen. Use an ice cream scoop to get evenly sized cookies, around 60 grams each. If you prefer jumbo cookies, go for 100 grams. Place them on a lined tray. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Chilling helps make thicker, chewier cookies by reducing spread during baking. You can also freeze the dough after shipping for later. Just thaw before baking. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Place the cookie dough on a greased and lined tray, leaving about 2 to 3 inches space between each. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes. The aroma will be absolutely irresistible. Let the cookies cool because at this stage they are still soft. For an extra flavor boost, you can sprinkle some sea salt on top. I totally forgot. Now let's taste one.
They turned out so good. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to watch something more similar, check out these chicken tender recipes that we made. These were also really good.